Well, good day everyone. It's me, Shenell, here from Angelic Interior Designs. And today, how you can use your pillows that are on your bed in 5 different ways. Now, the first look I'm showing you is the basic way, which is your Euros with your regular bed pillows or decorative pillows that are your queen or your king or full size directly in front of that. That is the same as your comforter set, maybe. Here I'm showing you just some simple little pillows, the little boudoir size that can go on your bed. Also, it helps if you have a throw at the end of your bed that may have all of the colors that is in your bedding or your room colors, and it has a solid on one side and maybe a pattern print on the other, so you can alternate that as well. Look number 1, your everyday pillow order. The number 1 way, stacking from front to back. Each size going from small to large. Look number 2, mix it up with your lumbar pillow, stacking them in front, such as your boudoir pillows, your smaller pillows. And when I say stacking, I mean one on top of the other, as you can see here in the video. Then we have look number 3, a random color variation, stacking instead of back-to-back formation. And also, as you will see coming up, changing the color. If you have your pillows that is one side a print and one side a solid, you can alternate the colors as well. Like you see here, alternating the green and then flipping it to the blue, using both colors on each side or either side of the bed. Look number 4, side to side. One side to the other side, as I was speaking of before, just alternating the colors. And then you will see in the last look, just add a pillow to your bedding that has all of the colors and maybe a 5th or a 3rd color that is multicolored, and that may be a seasonal pattern that you could switch out when the seasons come in. As you see here with this pillow that I have featured many other times, and as well as just changing out your pillows in different ways on your bed. This is also a way, as you see in the video, add a little color to your life. Don't be afraid of color. Interior Designs, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and definitely hit that subscribe button.